Stas have called me and said come here now, and he said he has some surprise for us. Let's go and see that. Oh my gosh, just look at it. Holy moly. What did you... How do you like this one? What the hell is that, Stas? That's for better swimming. So you added the catamaran thing here? Oh, why not? The main thing is, this system will work with all bikes. Look here, the brakes. And wheel bracing, 2 points here and 2 on the opposite. It suits any bicycle. You can even take this device with you and use it to cross the river or lake or sea if you want. I used bolts to attach it, so it can be disassembled. Front axle and brakes right here. Oh come on, who needs brakes on water? Before we go test it, I want to insulate the wires, all electronics carefully, to avoid short circuits or explosions. We're using some silicone now, add some more here, give some more, there we go. What do you think, guys? Will it be safe or not? Leave your option in the comments. Let's insulate it all over. I wish it's gonna be working well. That would be cool. There we go, look what we've got. It's fatty. That's it? Anyone has some tape? Just in case, while it's cooling. We used it in Crimea, Elbrus and even in Chernobyl. And this small controller is still alive. This one is the cheapest Chinese controller and it's perfect. So now you guys may be wondering what you're gonna do next, aren't you? It is an Aqua-Bike, but then it will become underwater bike, a submarine. This way will prove that e-bikes can work underwater. So this battery will face water. We will see what's gonna happen. Oh my gosh, it got inside. Holy moly, I did it right, come on. Why it's striking like that? Let's see if it's working or not. It sounds like a nuclear machine, and I'm actually quite surprised. I think we're gonna see some crazy speed today. Let's go and check this Aqua-Bike, let's go. So are we swapping or not? This car, can it go 100? It goes to 100 like a bullet. It has a Bentley motor. This is a rare one, it's a miracle. The only thing to attach wings that we can find. We are on the place, guys. Many people here. Can we go there? See, it's cool. Do you remember those kids who were playing there? Oh yeah, there's another slope here. So should we go there maybe? I think so. We need the bottom to be good for riding, you know? I know. Water is nice today. Ouch, it's hot. Let's get started. Alright, the chain is okay, greased well. Give me that blade. I'm not sure how to call it, guys, really. This thing is nuclear. Help me out. That will work. Hang on there. Let me raise it. No, I said wait. Das is working hard. And this sound may disturb people around, I think. I'm sorry for interrupting. It's okay. Do we disturb you with sounds? Oh, no problem, it's good. We are resting as always. That's it, screwing the bolts. And it's ready. It's all shining, and there's a new chain. How much it costs? $2. Here comes the main part. That's it, ready to go. We use solidol for waterproof. It protects devices from water. Will it protect us from short circuit or not? Or we're gonna blow up? Put it inside, in all holes. Right in the contacts. Let's see, there must be a little spark now. So Doll made it silent. Trying. A hell of a sound. It's good. Back part is going to sink. Make it straight. Well, here we are, guys. Is it okay? I think we set on it. Yes, but as I said, it's going to sink. I need this propeller beyond water. We need more bottles here. Oh my. Not this hard. This was nothing. So now we're gonna pump the bike a little and get some more bottles here and insulate the battery better. What are you up to? Holy moly. Look at it, it's all good. Yeah, it's alright. Go slowly. It is going swell. By the way, the water makes it work more silent. Turning. The motor is right in the water. I think it looks epic. So are you pedaling? How's it going? I'm all wet. Water is boiling hot. Pedaling only! Add some gas. Do you see this fountain? The chain dropped. How are you gonna go back? So he's fixing it on the way? Oh my. Can he fix it? Sure thing. He has no choice, he needs to go back. What's up? The chain is chewed up. Yep, he made it. Good job, Stas. It's going well, isn't it? Amazing. I wish we made a bigger propeller. I'm a freshman in sailing, you know, so for this machine, it is swimming well with that motor. There are some spectators over here now. I think we have to make up something new here, always watching, and come back once again with the motor. And add one more? Yeah, and add a lawnmower. We can remove the wheel and set a mower here. Actually, everything is working well, even the steering, and everything is on the place. Yeah, I like this one, it's awesome. Can I have a ride, guys? Take off your shirt first, you're gonna be all wet. Climb on it, it's cool. Help with the legs. Little by little, I did. The battery is getting wet. Stand on it! Holy madness, look at this. It started to rain. Full speed? Yeah. Good thing you're close to the shore. I guess we must speed up gradually, you know? Both of them are going to ride this Aqua-Bike. Anton is on. Drowning! What are you doing here? Go slowly. I can't, it's going too. We're gonna be balancing, Stas. It is drowning hard. Get off, get off, get off! It's thrusting forward! It's like a water scooter. I feel much adrenaline! Water is all over, it's heavy rain here. This is cool, guys, it's really hard. I switched chain position. You know, it's just perfect now. I made an upgrade, yeah, and the chain didn't drop this time, though I was going full throttle all the time. I told you I've improved the chain. I put it under, and though the propeller has taken some damage. Hey, we don't want to break it. I made it myself, don't worry. All's wet and rainy. When you go fast, this crazy stream of water is pouring down on you. This flow. You know what? We're gonna make the stream even bigger. Let's remove the protector and create a hot tub. Real hot tub, isn't it? Yeah, now we're talking. It has crazy thrust, guys. It is extremely powerful. Seen that? I feel power! It is all covered in rust in a few hours. Look at these welded connections. The temperature was different here. Well, the motor is cold. It is hardly warm, so it's cool. The battery is wet, the bag is wet inside. But it's still working. Thanks to Solidol, it keeps it safe. Hey, just show it here. He doesn't care. And no one has been electrocuted, guys. Many people told us that we're gonna die from electricity. Now look at me holding the battery. All sides, no electricity. That's it. What the heck? I've seen that I was going down. He has turned the seat around. Oh yeah, come on, come on, come on. What? What the hell? Stas is trying to enjoy his hot tub. That is just nuts, guys. Oh yeah, it's on fire, dude. This one is a beast. I like it. I'm happy I've taken some extra bottles, because otherwise it wouldn't work. That could be a fail. To sum up, that's pretty cool. Make it yourself, guys. Take it on the lake and have some fun. In the next video, we are going to make the first underwater test of electric bike. We'll put it underwater completely and see if e-bikes can go on the bottom, like submarines. Can we do this, or the bike will explode? Smash likes faster, guys. We don't have much time now, otherwise we'll have to put off this experiment.
Stop.